Hey YouTube, this your boy Boots, and
Me.
anyone can be a critic.
Yeah.
On YouTube. Yeah, that's my sister. Anyway, so we outside. We just came from Best Buy because my little computer, is yeah, motherboard went out. So who's gonna pay for that? I don't know. And I also bought the Big Sean CD. Anyway, so we get home. We was leaving, and this bird was in the grass. I was like, Jasmine, it's a bird in the grass. And then she's like, oh my God. And then,
Alright, now can we get to our house?
and now, can we get to our house? Because the bird meandered its way onto our porch. Look at it. And it's yelling at us. Look. It's yelling at us. See? It's a retarded bird. I'm scared, y'all. I think it's hungry.
It's mom pushed it off the roof. It was ready to fly like the other bird. It's retarded.
It's an ugly bird, too. The bird can't fly.
It's a baby robin.
Baby rabbit. Look at it.
Oh, it just cracked.
It just cracked. Oh my gosh.
You scared it so much it cracked his pants. Oh God.
Oh God, the bird moving. It moving. Oh my God, it's moving. Look. Oh. The little thing.
I don't know how to fly.
I'm scared, y'all.
He's like, can I fly?
Oh, oh Jesus. Oh God. God. It's looking at me, y'all. It's looking at me. Oh God. I try to open the door.
Oh gosh, I can't fly. Come on.
Open the door, Mayday! We out this joint. Peace, y'all. Retarded dog. It's a retarded bird.